and Dad went to a show. They dropped me off at Grandpa Joe's. I kicked and screamed, said please no. Grandma, take me home. 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 I had to eat my dinner there, mashed potatoes and stuff like that. I couldn't chew my meat too good. Grandma, take me home. Grandma, take me home. Yes, I'm relieving, now that you're leaving, soon as you get paid. Yes, I'm relaxing, hear that you're resting, never you get to. Yes, I'm soothing, now that you sue me, soon as it sounds. I will never bother you. I will never promise to. I will never follow you. I will never bother you. Never speak a word again. I will crawl away for good. I will move away from here. You won't be load up on guns, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend she's overboard. Only wants a cracker. Think I should get off her first. Think she wants some water to put out the blowtorch. Isn't me have a seat? Let me clip dirty wings. Let me take a ride. Cut yourself. Want some help? Please myself. Got some rope. Haven't told. Promise you. Haven't true. Let me take a ride. Cut yourself. Want some help? Please myself.